On the Civic CVT, shift indicator D is blinking. Why? If the D shift indicator is blinking, bear in mind it has a transmission fault and better check by a scan tool. The scan tool says it has a DTC P0966 80 class pressure control solenoid valve B, open short, permanent code. Now, if the permanent code is unable to erase the code, it is open or short circuit. Start probing the harness. Probe the input and output voltage if obtained the said voltage. First connector has been obtained a specified 12 volts voltage. How about the second connector? Also has obtained a specified 12 volts voltage. The next is performing a solenoid continuity check by ohms. If the solenoid continuity has obtained a 9 ohms continuity, means solenoid is okay. Now proceed to the next solenoid continuity. Also has obtained a 9 ohms continuity, means okay. All this step by step has been done. Then next is clicking noise activation. To activate a clicking noise, use a negative and positive supply to check a solenoid clicking noise. Can you hear the clicking noise? If there is no clicking noise, meaning that is malfunction. If there is a clicking noise, solenoid is working properly. All the tests has been done. Next, isolate the circuit. Now, this is the code, right? I am trying to erase it possibly, but it won't. I will show you here how I did it in a matter of a minute only. As you have seen, that is the fuse box underneath the steering wheel driver's side. Upon diagnosis, I was found out at tapping wires and unsecure harness. It is difficult to pinpoint out the open circuit. But why? I will tell you why. This vehicle doesn't have a fuse box cover nor unnamed designated fuses. And such model, I don't have even a wiring diagram. If you I am, perhaps you might give up, right? Because all I mentioned is impossible to fix it. I was attempting many times in erasing the codes, but it doesn't work. Watch what I did with full of my knowledge instead of wasting the time. All of the emptied slot fuses in inserting a fuse one by one due to unnamed designated fuses just to find out the open circuit. Now I am a predictable technician to locate the specific TCM fuse, which is having a wire tamper to the TCM fuses without my knowing. Hopefully, I got it. Look at the shift indicator D is no longer blinking. No longer blinking anymore with ignition on and engine off. Now I will try to erase possibly without magic, but with knowledge. Just follow the procedures of the scan tool, what it says. Isolating the port is not easy, particularly open and short circuit. And you must know the specified value of each sensor. If you have basic in electricity and you have a patient in probing the harness and the sensors or solenoid, and do you know the obtained value of each sensor, it doesn't matter to you what kind of fault appears on the vehicle, as long as do you understand what is written or what it says in the scan tool. It's amazing, right? I didn't change any kind of parts what is mentioned in the fault codes, the pressure control solenoid. If you will recommend it to replace the fault codes like the pressure solenoid, then you might get a same problem, an unsolved problem. Just I am sharing to you my diagnosis perfectly and correctly and accurately without replacing any spare parts related to the transmission fault. Justify the defective parts if it is necessary to replace. Probe all the connectors, terminals, computers, solenoids, sensors before replacing the suspected parts in order in avoidance of customer argumentation and angerness. We have the rights to serve the customer satisfaction about our task, and they are really appreciated us. Scan is very helpful to guide you in order to isolate the fault in a fastest way of diagnosis nor troubleshooting.
Yes.
Yeah, this one check.
Sabar. एक मिनट.
उधर जा, उधर क्या कर रहा है?
हैं? Yes.
Yeah, this one check.
Sabar. एक मिनट.
उधर जा, उधर क्या कर रहा है?
हैं?